Hello guys, this is Sir Mars and you are watching Lectures ni Sir Mars. So sa video na ito guys, ang aking lecture is about distance from a point to a line. Under pa rin ito sa subject na Analytic Geometry. So para makuha natin guys yung distance from a point to a line, so we are talking about, for example, we have a line which has an equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and we have a point which has coordinate of x1, y1. Then gusto nating makuha yung distance between that point and the line. We are talking about the perpendicular distance, the shortest distance from that point papuntang line. Then our formula is simply ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by plus or minus square root of a squared plus b squared. So take note guys, yung x1 dito at y1 are the coordinates of our point x1 and y1. Ayun. Tapos yung a at b dito are the coefficients of x and y sa ating equation ng line. Okay? So, ang tanong na lang dito guys is, kailan ba natin gagamitin yung positive and kailan ba natin gagamitin yung negative? So, paano ba natin gagamitin yung sign dito? Okay, so take note na positive kung yung b is a positive number and negative if b is a negative number. Positive din kapag yung point is above the line or to the right of the line for a vertical line. Okay? So again, ulitin lamang natin guys, if we have this line, tapos yung point natin na nasa taas, positive yun, or nakaganito yung ating line, yung ating point is nasa taas, then that is also a positive dyan, okay? Or kapag vertical line tayo, tapos nasa right yung ating point, it is also positive, okay? Ngayon, negative yung ating gagamitin if the point is below the line or to the left of the line for the vertical line. So for example, we have this line, tapos yung ating point ay nasa baba, then this is negative. Or pag ganito yung ating line, ating point ay nasa baba, then this is also negative. And kung vertical yung ating line, kapag nasa left yung ating point, then this is negative. Okay? So para klaro lamang tayo guys. So para mas maintindihan natin, okay, so ang tanong, what if for example, yung ating b is positive, pero yung point is below the line or to the left? Ganito yung nangyari. Yung ating b is positive, nandito siya, positive dapat, pero the point is below the line or to the left of the line for the vertical line. So kapag positive yung b, pero negative yung ating point, kasi nasa below the line siya or to the left of the line, then it will be negative. No? Kasi positive times negative is negative. Kung positive yung b, tapos yung point natin is above the line or to the right of the line for the vertical line, okay, so positive din yun, so magiging positive yung ating gagamitin sa may baba ng ating formula. Okay, so I think naintindihan nyo yung ibig ko sabihin guys, so dalawang combinations kasi yan, so all you have to do is to multiply the signs, kung positive positive, edi positive, kung positive negative, edi negative yung ating magiging results. Okay, so ayun, so let us now solve this problem para mas maintindihan natin yung pag-apply nitong ating formula para sa distance from a point to a line. So the problem is, determine the distance from the point 5, negative 3 to the line 2x minus 4y plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, so given na yung mga choices, 6.93, 2.91, 1.57, and 5.72. So let us now solve this problem. Okay, so actually yung nandito sa ating choices is absolute value, pero gamitin pa rin natin guys yung ating mga signs, para mas maintindihan natin kung paano gamitin nga yung mga sign na nandun sa ating sign convention, yung plus at saka minus. Okay, so ang una natin gawin guys, ay i-plot natin kung nasan ba tong ating equation ng line, itong line na to, which is the 2x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0, and then i-plot na lang din natin yung ating point which is 5, negative 3. So unahin muna natin tong line. Okay, so again, ang gagawin lamang natin guys para makuha natin, para malaman natin kung nasan tong line na to, kuha tayo ng dalawang points na maladaanan nitong line na ito. So ang gawin natin, ang una, kunin natin yung ating x-intercept, tapos pangalawa kunin natin yung ating y-intercept. So para makuha natin yung ating x-intercept, dapat x yung ating may value, and y naman yung ating 0. So sa case na ito, mangyayari is 2x, 0 si y, so 0 yung ating second term, plus 9 equals to 0, so 2x equals to negative 9, and x equals to negative 4.5. So yung ating point na maladaanan ng ating line is negative 4.5, then 0. Next is, kunin natin yung ating y-intercept. So this time, si y naman yung ating kunin, si x is set to 0. So mangyayari, yung ating first term is 2 times x, so 0 yun. So minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. So bali guys, 4y is equal to 9. Tama no? Okay, so bali y natin is equals to 9 over 4. And yung 9 over 4 is 2.25. So this is 0. Dadaanan niya yung 0 and 2.25, which is the 9 over 4. Okay? Sige. So let us now plot these 2 points. So yung una nga is negative 4.5, 0. Okay? Yung pangalawa is 0 and 2.25. So ayun. So ito na nga guys yung ating line. I-connect lamang natin itong dalawang points. So, ayun. So, again, ito yung ating line na 2x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so let us now plot yung ating point na 5, negative 3. So, the 5, negative 3 is located at quadrant 4. Ito yun. So, this is the point and this is 5, negative 3. So, ayun. So, ang ating kinakailangan kunin dito na distance ay itong distance na ito. Tawagin natin siya as D. Okay? So, the distance, according to our formula kanina. Okay? So, again, ito yung ating formula, guys. So, kanina napag-usapan natin itong formula na to. So, the D is equals, the distance equals to AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by plus or minus square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay, so substitute muna natin sa taas yung ating equation ng ating line. So, bale, this is 2x minus 4y. Ito yun, no? 2x minus 4y plus 9. So, 2x minus 4y plus 9 divided by square root of, yung ating a dito is 2, then squared, plus b natin dito is negative 4, then squared. So, ang tanong na lang dito, guys, is ano ba yung ating gagamitin? Plus or minus? So, yung ating B ba is positive or negative? So, according here, yung ating B is negative, negative 4. So, negative yung ating B, negative ito. Then, if the point is below the line, sabi natin dito, if the point is below the line, this is also negative. So, ang ating point is nandito, yung ating line na nasa taas. So, negative din siya. So, ibig sabihin, negative times negative, this is equal to positive. So, positive yung ating gagamitin dito. Okay? So, ngayon, no, alam na natin yung ating gagamitin na sign. So, the distance now is equals to 2 times x. Yung x natin is itong 5 na nandito, guys, no, na point. So, 5, 2 times 5, minus 4 times y. At ang ating y is negative 3. Ito yun. Negative 3 plus 9. Then, divided by square root of 2 squared plus negative 4 squared. And this is positive. So, the distance is equal to, so the distance is 6.932. 6.932. And this is in units. So, hanapin natin to guys sa ating choices. So, again, this is our final answer, which is the distance from the point 5, negative 3 to the line 2x minus 4y plus 9. And the answer is letter A. So again, the answer here is letter A, and that is 6.93 units. So ayun, so I hope nag-learn kayo guys, no, sa ating lecture ngayon, and see you sa ating mga susunod pang mga videos na mga lectures, no. So please subscribe sa aking channel. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Okay, bye-bye. If this lecture has helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can comment below or send your questions to my Facebook page, Lectures ni Sir Mars. I will paste the link in the video description. You can also download the PDF of my lectures and PDF references for civil engineering by visiting my site. The link is also in the video description. Thank you again, guys. Once again, this is Sir Mars, and see you in the next lecture.